Pennridge traffic, Bonanza 2 Tango Mike, take off runway 26, close traffic 26, Pennridge.
Helicopter leaving wings, be advised is a tower about 2 miles out from the northwest, coming inbound for runway.
Wings traffic, Cherokee 340, turning final, full stop 24 wings.
Wings traffic, Tabby is entering crosswind, midfield, got the helicopter in sight.
Flares down, and left line 3, we got you in sight, we're down below. Downwind 25, flares down.
No guys doing top road, left downwind 28, there we go. Thanks for that heads up call.
Southbound traffic, Cirrus 122 Charlie Delta is 10 miles to the north on the inbound for RNAV for 25, flares down with traffic.
Somerset traffic, Cherokee 466, turning left base 30, Somerset.
Pennridge traffic, Bonanza 2 Tango Mike, midfield left downwind, runway 26, Pennridge.
Monmouth traffic, Malibu 7.5 miles northwest of the field, will be a straight-in runway 14, Monmouth.
Winter traffic, 6-3 November, base to final 9er, Linden.
Somerset traffic, Cherokee 466 is on final 30, Somerset.
Flares down traffic, Skyhawk 730 Golf, turning left base 25, flares.
Wings traffic, Tabby is downwind 24 wings.
Robbinsville traffic, Skyhawk 772 Foxtrot Golf is 8 miles straight in, runway 29, low approach only, Robbinsville.
Winter traffic, 6-3 November.
Wings traffic, Lifelight 3 is clear to the north on the right side of the turnpike.
Pennridge traffic, Bonanza 2 Tango Mike, left base 26, Pennridge.
Westbound traffic, Cirrus 122 Charlie Delta on a 7-mile RNAV for 25, westbound traffic.
Flares down traffic, Skyhawk.
Total traffic, Raven is extended 4 miles, right base for 2. Traffic, Malibu 4.5 mile, final runway.
Pennridge traffic, Bonanza 2 Tango Mike, final runway 26.
Wings Tabby at final 24 wings.
Traffic that just landed at Somerset, is the wind favoring 30 at this moment?
On the RNAV, 8 miles for 25.
Pennridge traffic, Bonanza clear of all runways, Pennridge.